Titan.
Yeah, no, Titans capable. I mean, against San Miguel, they had a 41-point quarter. So, parang sa kanila, after getting that first win, they had no quit, right? We had a bit of problems with that zone. We were a little bit too quick in what we were doing. We went up and down, and when you go at that pace, you give the other team a chance to catch up, right? But we did enough. Coach Nenad kind of spoke to the boys a bit about that game against Rain or Shine. We wanted our team back. It didn't seem like that Rain or Shine game was something we're proud about. So it was good that the guys responded naman. First two quarters, we did well. I thought everybody played good basketball. And then, yun nga, yung sinabi mo, in that second half, you give it to Titan when they ran that full court trap, nag small ball sila, they took that import out. They kind of went on a run. And Sonia 29 points today, so they did pretty well.
Thanks, Coach.
Coach, about Marvin Joseph went scoreless last time in the second half. Ano naman yung thoughts mo dun sa bounce back din niya in this game?
Yeah. Well, you always want to come back and play better, right? I thought Marvin was on point today. He was on point in terms of his decision making. He was very vocal. He had a lot of positives in him today. He had no letdown, right? But that was something that was very uncharacteristic, right? Siyempre, pag walang import yung kabilang team, Chong Son in that game had 3 fouls. It seemed like he didn't go to work. But here, he did a lot. He was all over the place. I think he even had 1 block. Where was he? 24, 14. He had a steal and a block. So, very, very pleased with the way Marvin performed today.
Kaya kung piggyback na ako dun sa question kay Marvin, does this mean na parang bumalik na rin yung confidence mo with Marvin after tonight's performance of this?
Yeah, well, playing in the PBA is hard when you're an import, right? So, I think the thing to remember was Rain or Shine is super capable kahit walang import yan. In fact, they've had games where when their back is against the ball, they even play harder, right? And like I said, they're very motivated against us because we beat them in that back-to-back. We've had a bit of their number in their out-of-town games, and you have to credit Rain or Shine. But ganun talaga PBA. Like you look at Titan, they beat San Miguel, right? You look at Blackwater, they eventually won. So in this early stage in the season, everybody's confident. The wins haven't been piling up, so you have to earn it, right? But Marvin earned his keep today. He was pretty solid in what he did, and I'm happy for him.
Jay, ano mo lang, kasi from the player standpoint, paano nyo nag-respond dun sa talo nyo against Rain or Shine? How was the past few days for you guys?
Bumalik lang kami sa viewing namin and nakita namin talagang hindi kami nagbigay ng 100% effort dun sa laban namin against Rain or Shine. And talagang nag-usap-usap kami na after nung game na yun, hindi pwedeng ganun pa rin kami maglaro sa mga upcoming games. So siguro yun naging motivation namin. And kasi nagising din kami nung sa game na yun eh. Dahil coming from 2-0, na-humble up kami sa game na yun na hindi pwedeng ganun. Hindi pwedeng ganun na porket no import, talagang hindi namin bibigay 100% namin.
Everybody good? Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Salamat.